less than 2 months away from the start of the crucial final round of World Cup qualifying for Jamaica, and a couple of small elephants are still lurking in the room. Last-minute changes, and of course, the commensurate uncertainty, where we are still on the vigilant lookout for the arrival of another magical messiah, or 2 or 3, to get Jamaican passports and get here in time to solve our disjointed and disorganized problems. In terms of last-minute changes, let me put it this way. Coach Steve McLaren is set to get an interesting addition to his coaching staff. All amidst that long-standing and burning desire to see a settled, cohesive, organized-looking team representing Jamaica. But our saving grace remains. It's only Trinidad and Tobago, Curacao, and Bermuda. Da da dee, dee da da.